So for the dumbbell burpee with a push-up, it's just exactly that. We're not gonna reach our hands up for the burpee. We're not gonna jump for the burpee, which is probably traditionally what you would do with body weight burpees. But for this burpee, we're gonna start in the standing position, put our hands down, using our abs, staying nice and strong with our vertical core, kick our feet up, kick them back, get into that push-up position or plank position, lower ourselves down with quality and control in the push-up, press ourselves back up, get the feet underneath the body, stand up nice and tall with the dumbbells at your side, and then do it again. You're gonna first start by just kind of slowing it down. You can absolutely remove the weights, right? So you would do this with just body weight first, drop the weight, try to do the burpee, try to do the push-up. If you can't do the push-up or you can't do the burpee, you gotta regress one or the other. So if the burpee is too difficult, then I would suggest just doing push-ups, right? And then standing up. If the burpee's easier, but the push-ups are too hard, then just go down in the burpee, get in the plank position, don't actually do the push-up, right? And then come back up out of it. So obviously, you're gonna have to pick and choose for the regression. Do you need to regress the burpee? Do you need to regress the push-up? Or do you need to regress both? So if you're ready to progress the dumbbell burpee with a push-up, obviously the easy way to do that is to add load, but first we want to add speed, right? So speed will be the key. Then for distance, the only way to really change the distance or increase the distance would be to change the exercise. So we'll keep the exercise the same. So then the next thing you would do is drop those lighter dumbbells, pick up some heavier dumbbells at that same speed.